Hello and welcome to our foreign language phrase of the day. This week we're doing teen phrases. I'm Adelaide from TalkBox.Mom and
I'm Darian from TalkBox.Mom.
Where you start talking a foreign language with your family.
Same day you start.
And today we're going to do the phrase, pick up your clothes. If you don't already have the phrase of the day calendar, you can DM us or comment to get it in the language of your choice. And today we're going to do the phrase in one language. And Darian's going to use our random language generator.
Then we get the special key. It's invisible so nobody can find it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Here it is.
Push.
Push it. Whoa, you pushed it so fast you got Spanish. Ooh, hola.
Ooh.
Let's try this phrase out. If you have the $35
And
phrase
there's
book.
like a kitty cat. It's so cute, the kitty cat. You just want the kitty cat.
Okay. If you have the $35 phrase book, you can follow along in the language of your choice. Otherwise, try it in Spanish with us. And I'm going to show you, if you have the book, where to find it in whatever language. So to get to pick up your clothes, which is our phrase.
You must go to C, D, I'm guessing.
Yeah, C. You got C.
Oh,
That's
yes.
right. And then you're going to head over to clothes. And then we're going to go to pick up your clothes.
Crab.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Here she goes.
Levanta
Levanta
la
la
ropa.
ropa.
Levanta la ropa.
Levanta la ropa. Okay, Darren, I want you to say it to me like all my clothes are everywhere. How would you say it?
Okay, let me just. Levanta la ropa.
Oh, okay. That was really good. Now I'm going to say it to you.
I'm messing.
Levanta la ropa.
Close.
Okay, now let's pretend I'm like Mary Poppins' mom.
Okay.
Levanta la ropa.
Ropa. Ropa in your face. Ropa everywhere. Ropa in your underwear.
You have ropa, but your underwear is the ropa. Okay, awesome. Well, I hope you had fun doing this phrase with us. If you are having fun doing this phrase, we would love to see a video of you using it with your family or learning it. Tag us at TalkBox.Mom, and we'll see you in the story. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey, you have to watch it.